So as I mentioned with those letters of our DNA, we all have some gene changes. So if we did genetic testing for Jamie, for myself, for anybody at the grocery store, we probably would find some gene differences. And so what the scientific community is doing on the back end is researching as much as we can to help understand which of those gene changes are actually impacting somebody's health versus which of those gene changes aren't doing anything at all and just make us unique from one another. Depending on the amount of research we have and how well we understand different gene changes, we can get different classifications. So the first one you mentioned, pathogenic, that means that this is a gene change that we understand very well. There's a lot of research to help us be confident that that's a genetic change that likely is impacting somebody's health and development. If our research, though, doesn't get us to that point of being very confident, maybe we have some research that makes us suspicious of that gene change, but not enough, or maybe our research is conflicting. Well, in that case, we can end up with variants of uncertain significance, sometimes called VUSs, or inconclusive types of results. So those are gene changes that we usually tuck in our back pocket and keep learning about in the next couple of years. As we get more research and as we can understand about that gene change more, at that point, we may in the future move it up to pathogenic, meaning we're more confident that's a piece of your child's answer. Or more research may come out saying, you know what, we don't think this is actually a part of your child's answer, and it may be downgraded to what we call benign.